Hello, everybody. I am Sydney, the Empathic Oracle. How are you? Welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I ended up going to a cookout myself. Had a nice time. It was a beautiful day. Rest of the week is going to be beautiful. Okay. I know we have it said some rain today, but still overall beautiful. All right. So we're going to do this read for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Cross watchers, you are welcome. Let's get started. I can say he and me she and me he, you and me them and me you. Flip flop the roles as you see fit. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest behind. If it don't fit, don't make it fit. It will drive you crazy. Okay. First energy we have up is Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles. All right, already I see good fortune coming towards you already, Aries. All right, you have worked hard for this. You did a lot of juggling to get to this place. All right, you did a lot of balancing out. I know as soon as I start, guys. Hold on, please. I apologize for that. Okay, like I said, you're gonna have a wish granted. Okay, there's gonna be some type of money. Okay, possibly some money or extra money is gonna come towards you because you have put in some type of hard work. Okay, you planted the seeds to something and it is growing. Okay, somebody trustworthy, hardworking. Okay, should be coming towards you. All right, um, possibly might be having a date. Okay, with somebody. Could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Okay, somebody wants to have some type of meeting with you. Okay, an outing, a date. Okay, um, another aspect. If you're already in a relationship, this person could be about to propose some type of marriage towards you. Okay, now something could have happened behind your back. Okay, uh, it could involve a group of friends. Okay, something could have happened behind your back, or maybe you have found out about it, some type of betrayal or some type of lies. Okay, or even a thief was probably amongst you. Okay, I see that you want to retreat and move far away. So all right, there's a chance that you guys might be leaving. All right, a group of friends or a group of people that was not trustworthy. Okay, um, smile on your face all the time, want to take your place. Okay, it's like you want to move away to a different surrounding, different energy. Okay, um, where you at right now does not suit you. You could possibly do. Oh, okay. So around here, all right, I got the Lovers cards, the Queen of Cups, all right, and the Five of Pentacles. My lovers did fall underneath my role with marriage and proposal and with the dating, but it's also with the Seven of Swords, okay? So there could have been some type of mistrust or some type of deceit that could have happened in between your relationship, all right? Uh, this person wants to compromise, all right, or wants to come to some type of they want to work together to fix, I guess it's going to be fix something since they did some type of deceit, okay? But it seems as if they want to work with you with this situation, okay? Whatever the fuck, excuse my expression, whatever the hell happened, okay? I'm getting a lot of this because Mercury retrograde, a lot of people want to work things out that have already been through something, okay? This, yeah. Once again, we have strong Aries, okay? All right, Leo, Sag also, but seems like this person is unwilling. Hold on. This person is unwilling. Like they're not, this person is not happy, okay? It's all right. It's like I said, it seems like they want to make some type of compromise. Somebody wants to make some type of compromise. Could be you or either them, okay? Um, this person is kind of being hesitant, being stubborn, okay, about the whole entire situation, all right? And unhappy, all right? Somebody might be trying to take this whole entire situation as some type of as a loss of some kind, all right? But overall, they're feeling very defeated, okay? And they're being feeling very depressed, okay? So this is the reason why they're kind of like stuck in some type of moping stage, all right? So they won't come to a compromise because of some type of stubbornness, all right? We got the Six of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, all right, and the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, all right. They want to come towards you to make something, making some type of plans, all right. You're going to have victory over the situation. Just flip flop what side you are in the situation, all right. But you're going to have victory in the situation, all right. You have some type of plans, or they have some type of plans towards you, but they don't necessarily know which way to go, all right. But they just know that both ways is going to lead towards you, okay. You could have Taurus highly aspected in your chart. We have now Gemini with the lovers, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, but strong Taurus is in here. All right, this person's going to feel like they're going to stand their ground. And they feel that they know a way how to sit there and make this situation right. Okay? All right. Side note, this person could also feel that once they are intimate with you again, it would probably fix the whole entire situation. All right. Um, all right. So I got that, like some type of compromise when it comes to sexual relations. All right. Let's see. Spirit, are we going to get another story? No, not really. Same story. They're saying whatever is going on with your situation, justice is going to be served. Okay. So you have some type of balance on you right now where you're able to assess the situation, okay, healthily, okay? Because what's going on right now with you, or what's might be coming up towards with you with the situation, is a tower moment. Okay, there's going to be some type of stagnation. Okay, there might be stagnation and just coming to a compromise in general, or there'll be a stagnation. This is a love read, definitely a stagnation in your love life when it comes to sex and intimacy. Okay, all right. uh Spirit, we just, oh, there's one that turned over. All right, I feel that the energy has changed. We have something new, a new situation. Thank you, because other energy was giving me this weird sensation on the right side of my head. All right. Some of you guys could be worried about a specific individual, okay? Somebody is heavily on your mind that is giving you sleepless nights, all right? Some type of anguish. You probably know something about, okay, like let's say you probably know something about somebody, okay? And nobody else knows. Or maybe not, only very few people know, but you know, and you're like really, really concerned about it. It's bothering you, okay? A situation about that flip right over. Situation about somebody is really bothering you. I don't want to say it's, give you some more information, Spirit. What is bothering our Aries? Okay, you're worried about somebody acting too quickly, and they're not thinking before they act. Okay, this person is setting themselves up to have some type of fight. Okay, we have the devil. Okay, we have here the devil, Eight of Cups, and Ace of Cups. Okay, whatever the situation that's come rushing in, and that you're defending your not defending yourself, but you're preparing yourself for some type of bullshit, right? It's all due to some type of toxic behavior, right? This action that you're about to do, about to witness, I don't want to say like violence, okay? Maybe somebody's in there and then they want to fight somebody, okay? All right. If that's the case, that's what I said, it's a toxic situation, and the spirit is saying that you should just leave it alone, just walk away. Okay. All right. Because if you, by you walking away, all right, you're going to show the upper hand. All right. You want to be abundant. Okay. You want to be, you're going to have some type of fulfillment. Okay. And possibly love. Some type of love might be coming cause of this situation that's going on. Okay, I don't know. This is going to be. It could be because of maybe. Did you used to love this person? I'm trying to figure out how love is going to fit into this fighting situation. But somehow Spirit is saying that some type of love, some type of abundance is going to come to you. All right, by taking the higher road and just leaving. whatever that situation, that chaos alone. Okay, leave that BS alone. All right, it doesn't serve you, so just walk away. You probably got yourself in a situation that really had nothing to probably do with you. Okay. Anything else do I have for our Aries? Hmm. Okay, so I got the Queen of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Magician. All right. I'm going two ways with this situation. All right. If we're still talking about this person, all right, this person sort of took something from you, all right. I think it was something. Some of you guys is more like a creative project, okay, or some type of business dealing that they might have had with you, all right. Um, it's like I feel like this person might have swept you underneath the rug or something like that, okay, all because of you, all right. You manifesting some type of greatness, you manifesting some type of love. So this person, if you're manifesting love or love, whatever it is, this whole entire situation could be dealing with jealousy. Okay, you might be on a fight with somebody and somebody doing this all because of freaking jealousy. All right. um this is nothing but happiness that I saw over there. Okay, so yeah, I feel like this seat, whoever is doing all this craziness, all right, underhandedness, all right, is just doing it out of pure jealousy. You have manifest greatness, you have manifested love, okay. Yeah, with between all this, when you get this manifestation, all right, and all this goes through, all right, everything's starting brand new. You have the Judgment, the King of Wands, and the Page of Wands, okay. So we have the Queen of Wands up in there. All right, yeah, you're gonna have some type of I don't know if you saw it the way I pulled it up. All right, you're gonna have some good news. All right, and there's gonna be a chance that you're gonna start anew with this King of Wands. Okay, um, this Bachelor. Okay, she's the player card. Yeah, that makes sense, Spirit. This new person. There's too many, but that was right. I was about to say though. All right, this person or you is putting an end to certain things so you can move forward in life. Okay, all right. Um, it's in the role with my devil in here. So whatever toxic situation that you could have been around doesn't necessarily have to be drugs or alcohol or whatever, but there's other things that are toxic. Okay. Um, so you got the Empress with the Death card. You have the Empress and the Sun card. All right, they're coming towards you. All right, they're seeing that you are happiness. Okay, your wish. You're also a wish fulfillment. All right, it's gonna be a time to celebrate when you meet this person. Everything gonna be enlightened. We got the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, building a legacy together. Your foundation. All right. Generational love and wealth. to be a breakthrough in that. You're gonna realize it. It's gonna blow your mind when you meet this person. Okay. It's gonna blow your mind. So you have, yeah, everything's fine, Clark. So basically everything is fine. Whatever you have gone through in the past, okay, what it says, okay, whatever toxicity or whatever the situation is that you have to walk away from, that you're gonna choose to walk away from, okay? No more fighting. You're gonna find your counterpart, okay? You can say twin flame if you want, all right, if you believe in that thing, all right? Because now everything is fine. You went through all the heartache, but now everything is definitely going to be fine, all right? Love, legacy, okay? Money, okay? So has been your read, Aries. I hope it resonates with you. If it did not, well, hopefully next time I have something that resonates for you. But just take what resonates with you and leave the rest behind. Okay? I love you. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed, or you're just watching it, please subscribe that button. Press that button, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Okay? Take care. Bye.